Hello Indonesia, my name is Lutfiana Paseban Jati, the representative of Vocational College Universitas Gadjah Mada to Pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi Nasional 2018. Indonesia is an archipelagic country where 2/3 of its territory is oceans. Coral reef is one of the potential water resources are abundant in Indonesia because the ecology of coral reef can only grow in the tropical regions. Indonesia ranks top for the breadth and richness of coral reef species. More than 14% for the total area of the world are coral reefs. Coral reef environment support high level of marine biodiversity. They are important site for coastal habitation and they provide a range of good sand ecosystem services such as of nurture fisheries and economic revenue from tourism and breeding site for seabirds and turtles. Located in the heart of the coral triangles, Indonesia has a lot of spectacular views of underwater scenery as well as its marine biodiversity. Underneath its group of small islands, hundreds of coral species and thousands of fish species. However, those remarkables of coral reefs are also seriously threatened. Damage the coral reef detected in 19 countries, that 109 countries that have a wealth of coral reef, including in Indonesia. In order to know damage the coral reef that occurred, it is necessary to improve which can be damaged by inventory, monitoring, and mapping the condition of coral reefs. Built from the spatial database which can be abbreviated coral reef in actual inconsistent with the real condition. Given the widespread of coral reef in Indonesia, mapping the status or condition of coral reef will be difficult if done conventionally because it will require less time and energy. It was then evident an integrated information system is needed to reduce data redundancy, allow easy data accessing and linking. To achieve the above objective, it has developed SACO-REEF. How does coral reef monitoring and effectiveness of WebGIS-based geospatial system SACO-REEF? SACO-REEF provides an integrated, practical, easy-to-use online information system that supports coral reef data management. SACO-REEF is support WebGIS or Geographical Information System and ad hoc query, time series analysis and report. WebGIS facilitates online interactive thematic maps portraying reef health condition which is linked with other non-spatial data. The method used in literature review and data processing. WebGIS SACO-REEF provides several features that allow users to access and monitor the development of coral reefs. These features are designed and equipped with interactive maps such as dispersion map and coral reef health maps and 3D underwater maps. In addition, the product is designed as a service provider in fundraising and donations supplier to salvage maritime research of coral reefs. Not only displaying spatial data, WebGIS is also equipped with features what I can see and what I can do. Content that is in what I can see such as a library, and then donation, and then aware and maps. The development of geospatial technology is already in an information-based society. The ability to access and provide information accurately and appropriately becomes essential for organisms, communities, universities, or individuals. WebGIS is a web-based geographic information system consisting of several interrelated components. WebGIS is a mix of mapping graphic design, digital maps with geographic analysis, computer mapping, and an interconnected database into one part web design and one mapping. SACO-REEF is a GIS-based geospatial information technology website designed to facilitate communities in using potential maritime resources for coastal reef ecosystem that have been damaged in Indonesia. This GIS website user spatial analysis is identifying and monitoring coral reefs for then the number of coral reef ecosystem can be saved and preserved. WebGIS Sakura Reef can be linked to existing coral reef conservation center in Indonesia and can provide ease to location, surveillance, and monitoring site through an interactive map that has been provided and can be linked to Google Earth application will generate the form of monitoring easily. Presentation of GIS feature in the coral reef monitoring method is needed to show the location and condition of coral reef in the form of digital maps. So, one of the main reasons for integration Sakura Reef WebGIS application is none other than to support decision-making, evaluation, and rehabilitation of coral reef damage in order to make the result better and more efficient. So, let's save our coral reef. Dari UGM untuk Indonesia.